Are you looking for a natural way to boost your energy and improve your health? Well, look no further, because all you need are some red beets, pineapples, lemon and ginger, and you can be able to create your own miracle drink right at home. Pineapples are useful for treating cold and cough, strengthens the bones, good for teeth, prevents cancer, helps in digestion, good for your eyes, reduces symptoms of arthritis, and prevents hypertension. This drink is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your body. Simply blending this combination of fruits with water to make a juice or smoothie, you will have a delicious and nutritious drink ready in no time. Just make sure you wash your pineapples very well. After washing, cut it into bits to make it easy for your blender to blend, and then add the other items to it, and you will have your beetroot drink ready in no time. This ripe pineapple also acts as the sweetener for this drink. Ginger helps to cut down on fermentation, constipation, and other causes of bloating and intestinal gas. It helps to fix the wear and tears on our cells. Ginger also contains antioxidants and molecules that helps to manage free radicals. Red beets are packed with nutrients. Beets have antioxidants that helps to fight cell damage and inflammation, potentially offering protection against cancer and heart disease. Health benefits of beets include more stamina during exercise, heart disease, and stroke prevention, and also helps to lower blood pressure. Beets are good sources of fiber, which benefits your digestive health and reduces the risk of severe chronic health conditions. Beetroots are high in water, low in fat, full of vitamins and minerals, and are packed with powerful antioxidants. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, which helps to promote collagen synthesis that is important for glowing and supple skin. Lemons prevent cell damage, supports heart health, enhances iron absorption, and also helps to prevent kidney stones. So this is Sonia Space. You are always welcome here. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, and keep watching. Simply blending red beets, pineapples, ginger, and lemon with water gives you a refreshing and cleansing beverage. Red beets are versatile and can be combined with other fruits and vegetables to create a unique miracle drink recipe. So next time you are in the kitchen, grab some red beets and get creative in your drink making. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye and God bless.